We have a P.O. box for our Quest 2 VR channel, and sometimes things come in, I have no idea what they are. And this one went through customs. It looks like it came all the way from the United Kingdom. I was like, maybe we'll open it on camera, because I have no idea. Maybe it's something exciting inside. It looks like it's from Wired Productions, and I'm guessing they watch the videos because they are messing with me with the amount of packaging on it as has been happening. Oh, I actually had no idea this was coming, but I saw somebody post something on Instagram, so now I know what this is. There's a new game that's come out recently, and I actually played it on PSVR a little bit so far. I talked about it on the podcast. It's called The Last Worker. The Last Worker is what it says, The Last Worker. You are the last person working at, it's spelled jungle, but it's called Jungle, and it's really Amazon. It's clearly Amazon. You are the last human, and automation has taken over. There's no people left but you, and you have to fight every day to get at least above an F grade or you're fired, and that's it. No more people left. Obviously, as the game goes on, you realize there's a little bit more to it. A group that wants to rebel and stuff, and beyond that, I won't give away any more spoilers or anything like that, but it's got some humor to it. It's got some interesting movement. It wasn't originally a VR game, at least has also launched flat. This is supposed to look like one of their actual packages, so the fact that it's a little banged up, I feel like is on theme. I'm gonna try to not destroy it, so I'll try to open it a little bit more proper. You can see this here, the Jungle packaging with the Last Worker tape. And yeah, it's not Amazon. Shipped to Jungle Prime member. Sorry, Jungle Prime member. It's clearly Amazon. I know if my mom still watches my videos, she's probably freaking out every time she sees me open a box like this. Dear customer, as a valued subscriber to Jungle Pronto, not Jungle Prime, we want to thank you for your loyalty, your trust in us, and most importantly, your money. As a token of our appreciation, we have sent you a care package containing, let's find out what it's containing, I don't want to read it, containing a Jungle water bottle with their logo on it, a Jungle hat, a snapback hat. My head never fits in anything. Oh shoot! Okay, I didn't know they were actually sending the PS5 game itself. I have a code for it. I'm not really a physical digital collector, so maybe I'll do a giveaway of this. Go check the description in case there's a link to a giveaway. I'm not sure though. We got the Last Worker, the little your little buddy, the sticker. I can't remember his name, but he's funny in it. He gives you crap. He's definitely like a sentient AI in my opinion. Wired Productions stickers. I'm not sure if that's meant to look like a razor blade, but that looks like the shape of a razor blade to me. It's got some like old school packaging, like it's meant to look like some old crate, you know? Signed McMahon picture of inside the facility where you go pick up your packages. So basically, when you are playing this game, you're flying around in like a hover drone and there's all these packages everywhere that need to be delivered, but the one you have to find will have a green light on it. So that'll help you know, okay, I gotta go get that package, figure out if it's damaged, if it's okay, if it's the wrong thing, and then take it to where it's gonna go. I feel like the package itself is part of it, so I kinda wanna keep the package even too. But this is really cool. I was not expecting this at all. Let me see the rest of this now that we've seen what's in the package. We sent you a care package containing a signed piece from the 20th century comics legend Mick McMahon, handpicked from our art and culture range in direct opposition to those that say we have no appreciation for anything other than profit. In addition, we have sent you the latest release in indie video game entertainment for use on your PlayStation 5 system for you to enjoy. After all, you know what they say. All work and no play, or work harder, play harder. Admittedly, everyone who says that at Jungle is fired and replaced with a flawless robot, which has no need for diversions such as play or sleep or family or healthcare or insurance, but I digress. Your Pronto delivery also comes with bespoke Jungle uniform cap, water bottle. Keep that water bottle handy though, there won't be much time to stop and gop. There's actually a water bottle in your hovercraft in the game that you can pick up. Like, yeah, you can't go anywhere. Hope you're not peeing back in the water bottles like the Amazon workers. You should find everything in the box need to get started. I would say get in touch if you have any problems, but there won't be any, as problems come from mistakes, and at Jungle, those are not tolerated. Not after the first time anyways. I see that their gift package agrees exactly with their humor style in the game. So if you haven't checked out the game and you've been interested, it's available on like Nintendo Switch too. It's not just a VR game, but of course, I'm gonna say VR is the only way to play it. So you can also check it out on Quest or anywhere else you want to. Thank you to the company for sending this over. I was really excited. It's really exciting when I don't know these are coming either, because then I just get to open it and find out what's in it. But thank you so much. Thank you for all you come out here and watching. Thank you to them for sending this. And I'll see you in another reality. So in our quest for B-roll, I was messing around and went to act like I was drinking from my bottle, and I heard something inside of it, and I thought, oh, it's probably just the instructions to the water bottle. But I opened it up and found another thing I have to share from Carrie Paul to The Guardian. Redacted caused an uproar on Thursday when it denied reports, redacted probably being Youngle, caused an uproar on Thursday when it denied reports that its delivery workers have been forced to urinate in bottles due to lack of access to bathrooms. But a leaked internal memo shows the company has been aware of the problem for at least several months. Documents provided by employees at redacted, probably Youngle, to The Intercept showed that an email sent in May 2020 admonished workers for urinating in bottles and defecating in bags while on the job. This evening, an associate discovered human feces in an Youngle bag that was returned to a station by a driver, the email reads. This is the third occasion in the last 2 months when bags have been returned to the station with poop inside. The email went on to say, we've noticed an uptick recently of all kinds of unsanitary garbage being left inside bags, used masks, gloves, bottles of urine. Workers told The Intercept the issue is commonly referred to in internal discussions, with one former, redacted, employee telling the publication that drivers are implicitly forced to do so, otherwise we will end up losing our jobs for too many undelivered packages. Is this actually about the real thing? I'm starting to wonder if this is a Youngle joke or if this is the original like email that came out about the Amazon thing. Amazon's gonna get us in trouble for reading this on camera here. Because I'm starting to think this is just the actual email that really went to The Guardian. This is not anything to do with the game anymore. Boy, when everything was going so fun, it just got really real all of a sudden. I think that was like the actual email to The Guardian.
100%.